sinasabing na pinopromote nyo ang P-pop when actually you sound like a K-pop group.
To be honest, alam mo yun yung noong time na yun, talaga
When the first time I watched this interview back in 2020, I was getting mad, I was getting angry. Like, for real.
talagang inis pa nga ako noon, pero at the same time, kailangan ko siyang respetuhin kasi hindi naman din minsan alam lahat ng tao. Hindi ko kailangan talaga na super ma-offend, pero I have to educate the people.
True.
Alam po natin na naninibago po tayong lahat sa ganitong parang musika po sa Pilipinas. Pero this is a new kind of thing na sinusubukan po namin sa Pilipinas na sana po gusto po namin mawala yung takot ng mga Pilipino na mag-try ng bago para po mag-evolve pa po yung music industry in the Philippines. Yung goal po talaga namin is in the future po, parang makilala po tayo sa ganito na
I mean, they wanted to say a lot of things, but they didn't say because they were new at that time. They wanted to prove something. So, yeah.
yung kind of thing na sinusubukan po namin sa Pilipinas na sana po gusto po namin mawala yung takot ng mga Pilipino na mag-try ng bago para po mag-evolve pa po yung music industry in the Philippines. Yung goal po talaga namin is in the future po, parang makilala po tayo sa ganito na sing and dance or may mga bago po tayo mga genre na pinapasok sa Pilipinas para in the future po, marami na pong susunod na
Look at Pablo. He's so proud of Josh. The way Pablo and Dustin looking at each other.
katulad namin na parang idol group nga po at makilala po tayo sa buong mundo.
Hindi naman ako ganun kagaling magsalita, especially during those times. Baguhan pa lang kami noon. Ano ba yung closest na word na pwede kong sabihin na would make us distinct from the others or have our own identity? I didn't even know that this word existed. Parang inisip ko lang, ano yung closest to the Filipino pop music? Siyempre, no-brainer. Philippine pop. So I said, P-pop.
Misconception po kasi nangyayari na parang minsan na natatag kami as K-pop Pinoy group pero hindi po ganun. We are actually an P-pop boy group.
Para po sa mga naguguluhan, we are actually a P-pop group po.
P-pop,
Not a
P-pop.
K-pop group.
Yes.
P-pop po sila, hindi sila K-pop!
After a few years pa, doon ko nalaman na okay, yung term na yun, nandyan na pala matagal na. It just wasn't being used. Ang P-pop po is basically just Filipino pop. We have our own authentic stories to tell, syempre to grow. It doesn't mean na bago siya or weird, ito turn down na natin. Hindi na natin i-accept. Ngayon, you don't even have to actually explain it.